Namaskaram to all. Let us discuss about the technique involved in plant tissue culture. There are six: sterilization, media preparation, culture condition, induction of callus, embryogenesis, and hardening. Already we discussed about sterilization. Let us revise one more time. Sterilization is the technique employed to get rid of microbes such as bacteria and fungi in the culture medium, vessels and explants. They given four things, maintenance of aseptic environment, sterilization of culture room, sterilization of nutrient media, sterilization of explants. In maintenance of aseptic environment, we discussed, the sterilizing the glassware, forceps, scalpels, and all accessories in mid-stream sterilization by autoclaving at 15 psi, that is 121 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 minutes, or dipping in 70% ethanol followed by flaming. In sterilization of culture room, we discussed the floor and walls are washed first with detergent and then with 2% sodium hypochlorite or 95% ethanol. Then sterilization of nutrient media. The culture media are dispensed in glass containers plugged with non-cotton, that is non-absorbent cotton. Then sterilized using autoclave at 15 psi, that is 121 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 minutes. Then sterilization of explant. The plant materials, sterilized by exposing the material in running tap water and treating in 0.1% mercury chloride, 70% ethanol under aseptic condition inside the laminar airflow chamber. Right. The next one is media preparation. The success of tissue culture lies in the composition of the growth medium, plant growth regulators, and culture conditions such as temperature, pH, light, and humidity. No single medium is capable of maintaining optimum growth of all plant tissues. Suitable nutrient medium as per the principle of tissue culture is prepared and used. They are MS medium, B5 medium, white medium, niched medium. MS Murashid and Skoog. B5 Gambour. White medium, white. Niched medium, niche and niched. They are the founders, that means discoverers. Right. Finally they add agar as a solidifying agent, that is gelling agent. Next, culture condition. pH. The pH of medium is normally adjusted between 5.6 to 6.0 for the best result. Temperature. The culture should be incubated normally at constant temperature of 25 degrees Celsius plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius for optimal growth. Then humidity and light intensity. The cultures required 50 to 60% relative humidity and 16 hours of photo period by the illumination of cool white fluorescent tubes of approximately 1000 lux. Then aeration. Aeration to the culture can be provided by shaking the flask or tubes of liquid culture on automatic shaker, or aeration of the medium by passing with filter sterilized air. Next, induction of callus. The explant of 1 to 2 cm sterile segment selected from leaf, stem, tuber or root is inoculated in the MS nutrient medium, supplemented with auxins and incubated at 25 degrees Celsius plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius in an alternate light and dark period of 12 hours to induce cell division, and soon the upper surface of explant develops into callus. What is callus? Callus is a mass of unorganized growth of plant cells or tissues in vitro culture medium. Next, embryogenesis. The callus cells undergoes differentiation, that means they transform their form and function, and produces somatic embryos, that is from meristematic to mature, known as embryoids. The embryoids are subculture to produce plantlets. The embryoids will develop and produce plantlets, that is shoot and root. Next one is hardening. The plantlets developed in vitro require a hardening period and so transferred to greenhouse or hardening chamber and then to normal environmental conditions. Hardening is the gradual exposure of in vitro developed plantlets in humid chambers in diffused light for acclimatization so as to enable them to grow under normal field conditions. So hardening in simple way. So the plantlets which is developed in vitro, that is in lab, slowly they are transferring that plantlets into the normal environmental conditions. That is called hardening.